Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. And this time to my 3054th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, do I not get to take a bow for that last piece of analysis I kept you focused on when the bottom came in? I mean, oh my goodness, does Omni not get to take a bow for that? What an amazing piece of analysis Omni gave us, and we've been going up ever since. And tonight's video is talking about more of the same, but we'll see. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, April 16th, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. Never trade without putting in your protective stops, all right? Risky game. Nasdaq daily bar, what should happen on 4/16? Well, you got to start to worry that there's a possibility of a 1, 2, 3, or 2, or 1, 2. So in other words, it's top 1, top 2, top 1, top 2, top 1, 2, 3. You get the point, right? We're coming near a triple top or maybe a double top, but we're not there yet. Look at all the room. Look at all the room Nasdaq has before we got to worry that we've gotten there. And the Omni's bullish for trading Nasdaq on Thursday. So it still has room. I will tell you this though, if it went too high, then I would cancel the buying if we never got a fill. You know what I'm saying? We're not stupid. Goes up high enough to hit the double top and we're still not filled, we cancel the buying. Until then, we're going to look to be a buyer of dips in the Nasdaq. Here's Nasdaq on a daily basis. Let's go look at Nasdaq on a weekly basis. The same chart I've been showing you with the cycle, that was a 40-week cycle, sometimes 42, sometimes 38. This time it went out to 44 weeks before it held. And away we went. Well, look at that bar. It went up, up, up. But just like you've seen on the daily, we're not quite there on the weekly yet. We've got room before we see the double top. So we've got room to get long for another day, but then after Thursday's over, and if we go higher, we'll have to talk about this. We'll take it one day at a time as us. We're day traders, right? The Omni's following the day trading method. We are day traders. We've got a day. Just can't let it go too high before first getting filled, getting up, getting out. Can't let it go too high before that first fill, otherwise I may cancel the idea of buying on Thursday. But the weekly shows us there's room. The daily shows us there's room. Now let's go look and see if anything else has room. Hold on, I don't know what chart number I'm going to bring to you. Oh yeah, chart number 23. Boom. The E-mini S&P also nearing the possibility of a double top. We know this, when we see double tops, we sell double tops, but that's for tomorrow's video. So we have to wait one more day. We're not there yet. But look, there's still room to go. So you can get long the E-mini S&P if your system tells you it's okay to do that. I think I'm going to concentrate more on the Nasdaq. We'll see what's going on here. But here's your E-mini S&P. Room before the possibility, there are always possibilities till they prove themselves out, the possibility of a double top nearing is starting to loom, but you've certainly got room to get long this thing and rally up, get yourselves out as day traders, and then see what's going to happen Thursday night for Friday. Now, what else do we have? So, could we get past this double top in E-mini S&P? Could we actually get past the triple top? And let's go look at that in Nasdaq when it surfaces. 1, 2, 3. Could we get past that when it surfaces? Well, here's one of the clues that may tell us. The transportation average deemed the leader of U.S. indices. You know where that double top was? Let me see if I can make this dark for you. That double top was here. Boom. The leader, when it found the double top, right here it made highs. Right? So let me grab something. I can drag it around. You made a high. You dropped. You dropped. Rallied up. That was the previous highs. It went, I don't think so, to all-time new highs. Can the E-mini S&P and Nasdaq get through? Yeah, according to this it can. Let's see what's going to happen. So the leader says yes, they can get through. That tells me we're probably safe for at least one more day trade in S&P, Nasdaq, whatever you guys feel like trading. I'll be concentrating possibly on Nasdaq. And then there is this in the crypto sector. Look at that Ethereum. Remember, I've been pointing this out to you this week. Ethereum making that little rounded bottom right here, holding the average, starting to run up. Longer term, look at the nice channel. Bitcoin looks the same. Solana looks the same. Fantastic work, right? And then we can round it off with the Omni trading token. Look at how well this thing's going. It's probably the prettiest chart I've shown you. The Omni trading token is doing really, really well. Let me see if I can get this little thing so I can move it around. You know, we bull flag, and average starts kicking in because now it's life. We just started the Omni back here. Brand new token. So its life starts to build. It gives it enough time for an average to kick in, and it just starts holding this average all the way up so far. Nice holds here. So we had bull flag after bull flag after bull flag into a pennant flag. Now an ascending wedge. Fantastic work holding the average. Omniacs around the world, thank you for what you do for yourselves with this token. Thank you for backing it up when it needs it. When some people want to get out, they need something, they need to take a few dollars. You Omniacs come in and buy those tokens. Remember, you can't short the Omni token. So if somebody gets out, they've got to get out. They're out. We buy them. So nice and slowly, us Omniacs around the world that are serious holders will end up with more of these tokens than you can imagine. Just make sure that you're there when necessary, but it's doing its own magic. You know, it's working off the average. Most of our Omniacs are, you know, long-time holders, long-term holders that won't be doing anything with their coins. So safe place to be. And what I'd like to tell you is right after this video, I'm bringing Crypto Kelly over. We've got a bunch of influencers to go through, hiring more for the coin and for the Omni project itself. I also have a really big influencer that's been working on my videos and doing all kinds of edits, and they're going to start publishing as well. We got a lot of great stuff in the works, and if we ever get through this Patriot, well, I shouldn't call Patriot, that's old days. If we ever get through this Clarity Act, I can start putting smart utility into our token so that we can use it for more than just trading. God bless all of us in the Omni token. Omniacs unite! Make sure you grab your Omni tokens. You can buy them right at Coinbase if you'd like. Directly below this video is my address for my token. Copy that, paste it. Use that when you look for the Omni trading token on trading platforms, because there are some imposters out there. Below this video, the Omni trading token's address is there. Make sure you use that. Traders, thank you for everything you do. Great work on the charts. Great work trading out there. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. Leave your comments on the bottom of this video. I always answer your comments personally. And remember, stop sore emotions are rock and roll. Traders, thanks for all you do. Grab your Omni tokens, get them now.